guys, what is up? It's P7OB here bringing you guys a setup video for my iPod, and so this is my monitor that has my YouTube channel up right now. This is my TV, which is right next to it, which is, I'm playing Ghost on right now too. I have Elgato over there with 210 Tech Decks, Playboy clone, and a remote control, and my message keyboard thingy for whenever I need to send a long message on Xbox. My keyboard's down there, my mouse is right there. My computer is right here. It's a Gateway something, I don't really know what the name of it is. And then we have my speaker up there, all the way up here, everywhere. I just got a message, hold on. There we go. And over here we have my bottle, cans, games, receipts, axe, and all that, bracelets and everything. Then we have the 3 games I've played recently, which is Black Ops 2, Black Ops, and Modern Warfare 2, as well as Ghost, but it's in my Xbox, obviously. Then we have the Xbox with a bunch of stickers on it. A Turtle Beaches, which I still put on the thing to keep warm, because, yeah, it's really comfortable. And then we have my controller with controller freaks, sniper ones, and a really weird sticker on it. My mic, if I haven't said this already, I forget. I'm so stupid. But, my mic that you do commentaries with, my clappy thing from like 50 subscribers, and I still play with that. And yeah, so like, subscribe, comment, like, favorite, whatever you should like. And I'll see you all guys later. Thank you for 500 subscribers. Love you all.